Hi, welcome to Elonix. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple touch switch. The components you need to build this circuit are two NPN transistors. I'm using BC547 transistors here, a 270 ohm resistor, 100 kilo ohm resistor, an LED, two breadboard connectors, a breadboard, and 6-volt power supply. Place both the transistors on the breadboard. You can see the pinout of the BC547 transistor which I'm using here. The first pin is the collector, the second pin is the base, and the third pin is the emitter. Now connect the base of the second transistor to the emitter of the first transistor. Now place the LED on the breadboard with the positive terminal connected to the positive rail, and the negative terminal will be connected to the collector of the second transistor via the 270 ohm resistor. Now connect the 100 kilo ohm resistor between the collector of the first transistor and the positive rail. Now connect the emitter of the second transistor to the ground. Now you need to connect two metallic connectors, one to the collector of the first transistor and the other to the base of the first transistor. Now as you see, when I touch both the metal wires with my finger, the LED starts glowing. So what's happening here is when I touch both the metal wires, the current flows from the 100 kilo ohm resistor to the base of the first transistor, which gets amplified, and then it's sent to the base of the second transistor, which is again magnified, and it's connected to the LED. So the tiny current that is passing through the metal wires when I am placing my finger is getting magnified about 200 into 200 times by the first and second transistor, which is then sent to the LED. So whenever I touch the metal wires, the LED starts glowing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thank you.